Hello viewers, under logarithm we are going to consider this question. Evaluate log 0.20125. And so we have solution. Now we know that 0.2 is equal to is the same thing as 1 over 5. How can we evaluate this? If we move this 1 2 as two decimal places, so since it is two decimal places, we'll say 20 divided by 100. So if we say 0 here, 0 here, 1 here, 2 here, 1, 2 here, 5. So that is how to prove that 0.20 equal to 1 over 5. And so since we've established that 0.20 equal to 1 over 5, then our question will now be log 1 over 5, 125. Okay, so once we are confronted with a problem of this nature, what we do is to apply change of base, and so this will be equal to log 1 over 5, 125 will be equal to, since we are dealing with 1 over 5 and 125, it will be convenient for us to use log of base 5. Okay, we call changing of base. So this, in order to do that, we say log 5 125 divided by log base 5 1 over 5. Okay, so that is how to go about it. So log base 5 125 all over log 5 1 over 5 will be equal to log 5. We know that 5 raised to power 3 is equal to 125, and this is how we know that 5 times 5 times 5 will give us 125, which is the same thing as 5 raised to power 3. So we are going to replace it here, so that we have here will now be 5 raised to power 3 instead of 125 all over, we have log base 5, and we know in indices that 1 over 5 is the same thing as saying 5 raised to power minus 1. Okay, so here now, instead of having 1 over 5, we will now write 5 raised to power minus 1. Okay, having done that, let's consider it. So I'll log 5 raised to power 3 all over log base 5 raised to power minus 1. We know that the power rule of logarithm states that if you have log a, let's say raised to power n, let's say base m, this will be the same thing as saying this will be equal to n log a base m, to be equal to n log a base m. So that is what it will be equal to. So we are going to apply that here, so that this will be equal to this 3, the power will now multiply here. So we have 3 log base 5 all over, in this case this minus 1 will now multiply here. So we have minus 1 log base 5. And so we can see that log base 5 can cancel out here, and log base 5 can cancel out here. So we are left with 3 over minus 1, which is equal to 3. So in evaluating log base 0.20125, or in evaluating log 125 base 0.20, this is how to go about it. First, we have to convert this fraction, this decimal, to a fraction and then we apply the appropriate law of logarithm to solve our question. Thank you.